Good morning, student. Myself Amit Maheshwari, and today I am going to start your exercise 2.4. So, your first question is select the correct answer from the alternates given against each of the following. Okay, one question is there, and there are four options from for that question. Question number one, you have to give in four options, so you have to take that correct one. Okay, now I'm going to explain that question number first. The reciprocal of 2 is to 5 by 6 is. So what is the meaning of reciprocal? First you have to understand. Okay, so that part I am going to explain you on a board. Just look here. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Suppose you have any number 3 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of this? You have to reverse this one. You have to write 3 5 by 3. This is known as the what? Reciprocal. So how you find the reciprocal? By reversing the number. You just reverse. You have to interchange numerator by numerator, numerator by numerator. You will get the reverse number. Okay. So one more example I am taking here. What is the reciprocal of 5? So by default can write here 1. So you have to write a reciprocal is 1 upon 5. Now just look at the question. What is your question? Question is reciprocal of 2 is to 5 by 6. So it is a mixed fraction. 2 is to 5 by 6. It is a mixed fraction. Okay. So first you have to just convert this mixed fraction into a normal number. That is, just wait one again I am writing. 2 is to 5 by 6. Okay, so how can we convert? Just multiply 6 by 2. What you get here? 12. 6 2 is 12. Then plus upper part you have here 5 and lower part is 6. So what you get here? When you get 12 plus 5, what you get here beta? 17. So you get 17 upon 6. Now what is the reciprocal of 17 upon 6? You have a number 17 upon 6. Now you find the reciprocal. So how can you find the reciprocal? Just reverse it. Now you get 6 upon 17. So 6 upon 17 is your right answer. Just look here. 6 upon 7 is yes, it is present here. So you have to tick on option number D. That is your first answer. Okay, hope all of you understand that one. That I will show you here in that question also. Just see here the reciprocal of this. So you have to correct on 5 by 6 by 17. How you find out that? As I told you, just multiply 6 to the 12 and then plus 5. What you get here? 17 by 6. And what is the reciprocal? Just reverse it. It becomes 6 upon 17. It is your answer. Now come on the second question. Second question is 7 upon 9 divided by 1 by 3. Again I solve this question on the board. It is 7 upon 9 divided by, it is divided by what? 1 by 3. Divided by 1 by 3. Now how you solve? Just write 7 upon 9 as it is. You have to convert this divide into multiply. You have to convert this divide into multiply. When you convert this divide into multiply, then this number will be reverse. This number will be reverse. Then it become 1 upon, it become 3 upon 1. 1 upon 3 will become 3 upon 1 when you convert this divide into multiply. Now just solve. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what you got here? 7 upon 3. What you got here? 7 upon 3. Just look at the option. 7 upon 3 is there. So you have to tick on option number D. Okay, this is your correct answer. Now come on the question number third. The cost of 3 by 4 liter of milk is rupees 21. Then what is the cost of 1 liter milk? Okay, you can solve that question like that one. Cost of 3 by 4 liter of milk is what is given here. It is 21. It is 21. Now you have to find the cost of 1 liter milk. So just write here cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to, you have to write here 20 by, it become divide, then multiply 4 by 3. You have to, when this number come this side, become in reverse now. So it become 4 by 3. Now just solve. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now multiply 7 by 4. When you multiply this 7 by 4, this multiply, you get 7, then 7 by 4, what you got here? 28. So 28 is your correct answer. Just look at your notebook. 28 is there. Yes, 28 is there. So you have to tick on that 28. It is your correct answer. One again I am telling. Just look here. Cost of 3 by 4 liter cost of 3 by 4 liter you have 21. Okay, now 1 liter, then this number come this side and become reverse. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, and 7 4s are 28. So 28 is the correct answer. Okay, so you have to tick on 28. That is the correct answer. Now come on the next question. Question number 4. A rope 26 is to 2 by 4 2 by 5 meter long is cut into 12 pieces of equal length and find the length of each piece. Okay, that question I am going to solve on the board. Just look here. What is total length? 26 2 by 5. It is 26 2 by 5 meter length. Okay, so can we write like that one? Total length of rope. Total length of rope is equal to, what is the total length? 26 2 by 5. It is 26 then 2 by 5. Okay, now you have to convert into a 12 equal pieces na. You have to convert into a 12 pieces. So find the length of each piece. For determining the length you have to divide. Okay, so you have to write here length of each piece. Length of each piece is equal to, what is that number? Just look here. 26 2 by 5. 26 2 by 5, that is it is, and then become divide by 12. You have to divide it by what? 12. Now just solve. 26 multiply by 5. Just multiply 26 by 5. What you get here? Just solve it. 26 by 5. 5 6 is 30, 0 carry 3, 5 2 is 10, 3 13, 130. And in 130 you have to add 2. It becomes 132 upon 5. And when you convert, okay, this is right, divided by 12. 132 by 5 divided by 12. Now just solve this one. 132, when you convert this divide into multiply, then this number will reserve or not? It is 132 by 5. So this number will reserve. It divided by 12. So right here 1 by 12. Now just 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, carry 1, 12 ones are 12. You get here what? 11 by 5. You got here 11 by 5. Just convert into a mixed fraction. It becomes 11 by 5. Can write here 5 2s are 10 and 1 as it is 11. It becomes 2:1 upon 5 meter. It is the length of each part. Just check 11 upon 5 or 2:1 by 5 is there. Just see 2:1 by 5 is there. If it is present here 11 by 5, then also correct. Or 11 by 5 can be written into mixed fraction as 5 2s are 10 and 1 as it is. So it becomes 2:1 upon 5 meter. So it is your correct answer. You have to correct on option number B. Okay. Now come on question number 5. Question number 5, A part. 6 by 11 divided by 1 is to 2 upon 11. So just write 6 by 11 as it is. Now 11 ones are 11, just multiply and then plus 2, it becomes 13. So write 13 upon 11. 11 ones are 11 and then plus 2, it becomes 13 upon 11. Now just convert this sign into multiply, then this number will be reverse. So write 11 upon 13. Now just look, cut 11 by 11, it becomes 6 upon 13. It is your answer. Just look at the B part. B part, 7 upon 33 divided by 5 is to 1 by 2. Now 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. So 11 by 2. When come multiply, this number will result, it becomes 2 upon 11. Now just check if any number is there which you have to cut. No number is there. Now simply multiply. 7 2s are 14 and 33 into 11, you write 363. Okay, so it is your answer. Now come on C part. In C part, 3 is to 5 by 8 divided by 1 is to 5 by 24. Now 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, right? 29 by 8. Now 24 ones are 24 plus 5 equal 29 by 24. Now just convert this divide into multiply. The number will be reverse na. When you convert multiply, this number will reverse. Now just cut 29 by 29 and 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are 24. So write here only 3 upon 1, or you can write here 3. Cut 13 20 29. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what write here only 3. 3 is your answer. Come on the next question. It is 8 is to 2 by 5. 8 is to 2 by 5. Now just multiply 8 5 is a 40 and then plus 2. It becomes 42 by 5. 15 ones are 15 plus 1 becomes 16. 16 upon 15. Now just convert this divide into multiply. The number will be reverse. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 8 is 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1. Just cut by this by 2 and this by 5. So what you get here 60, you get here 21 upon 1 into 3 upon 8. Now simply multiply 21 3 is 63 and 8 as it is. So it is your answer, or you can convert into a mixed fraction. 8 sevens are 56. So how many left? Only 7. 56, 4 and 3 7. So write as 7, so 7 upon 8. It is your answer. Either you can write this one or you can convert into a mixed fraction according to your answer. You have to check your answer. If it is write this, then stop here. It does not match, then convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. Now come on the next question number 6, A part. 26 into 1 by 4 divided by 8 is to 3 by 4. Now just multiply 26 multiply 4, you get here 104, and then add 1, it become 105. Then I 105 upon 4 divided by 8 3 is 24, sorry 8 4 is 32, and 32 plus 3 35 by 4. Now just do convert this divide into multiply, the number will reverse. Now just divide 35 as a 35, 35 3 is a 105, cut 4 by 4. So you get here 3 as your answer. Okay. Now come on B part of question number 6. Just convert into a normal number. 7 multiply by 9. 7 9 is 63 and 5 becomes 68 upon 9. And 3 5 is 50 into 17 and 17 upon 5. Just convert into a multiply. The number will reverse. Now just cut 17 when the 17, 17 4 just 68. Now no one number is there which you have to cut, so just simply multiply. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 and 9 as it is, or you can convert into mixed fraction. 9 2s are 80 and then 220. So either you can write 20 upon 3 like that one. 9 is to 2 by 2. 9 2s are 18 and 2 when you add 120. Okay. So this is also the correct answer, this is also the correct answer. Okay. Now come on C part. 12 is to 2 upon 7 divided by 7 is to 1 upon 6. Now 7 12 7s are 84 and then plus 2 it become 86 by 7. 7 6 are 42 and then plus 1 it become 43, then 41 3 by 6. Again I am telling 12 7s are 84 plus 2 it become 86 by 7. 7 6 are 42 plus 1 it become 43 and 43 by 6. Just convert, change the sign, then this number will be reverse. It becomes 6 upon 43. Now just check. 43 1s are 43, 43 2s are 86. Now no number is cut. Now just multiply 6 2s are 12 upon 7. So your answer is 12 upon 7, or convert into a mixed fraction. 7 is 7 and then plus 5 it become 12. So that 1 is to 5 upon 7 is also the correct answer. Both are the correct answer. Okay. Now come on question number 7. Fill in the blanks for equal to or not equal to. It means one equation present here, you have to solve both the equation. If they are, you get the correct answer, then put here equal to. If you get different answer, you put not equal to. Okay. If you get the same answer, both side you write is equal to. If you get different answer, then write unequal to or not equal. Okay. Now just simply add. First you have to solve this side. It is a shortcut method. Again I am telling a shortcut method on the board, then I will come on the question. Just look here. Suppose you have two number. Now you have to add this two number. Okay. Now what you do? Again I am telling 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 for example. Now how do you add? It is a shortcut method. Just see here. Just multiply cross. 3 5s are 15, then plus 4 4s are 16. So what we do? Just wait. It becomes 16. So we do cross multiply. 3 5s are 15, 4 4 is 16. Now just to multiply this 2 1. 4 5s are 20. Now simply add 15 plus 16 you get here 31. 31 upon 20 is your answer. It is a shortcut method. Again I am telling you, see here. 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4. How you solve? 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So what you get here? 10 upon 8 is your answer. Okay. Or you can cut by 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So in last you get 5 by 4. Both are the correct answer. Now come on the question. Now just to multiply 11 5s are 55, 7 6 are 42 and 11 7 7 into 11 77. So you solve for that one. Now just add 55 by 42. What you get here? 97. And here you get 77. You get here 3 by 8. Okay. Now again do that part what I told you. Same presentation. Just multiply 97 by 8. You get 776. 77 by 3 you get here 231. And 77 by 8 you get 616. Now just simply add. When you add 776 231 you get 1007 upon 616. You have to solve one side. Now come on the other side. Now just see here. Just 7 6 8 6 48, 11 is 33, and 11 8 is 88. Okay. So when you add 48 plus 33, what you got here? 81 upon 88. Now again apply that step. 88 5 is 440, 81 7 is 576, and when you multiply 7 into 80 you get 616. Now simply add. When you add 440 and then 567, so you get 1007 upon 616. Now see this side also get the same answer, this side also get the same answer. It means they are equal. So you have to put equal here, you have to put equal here, and in the last you have to put that equal in your question also. Okay, so what is the question is here na, so you have to put here equal in that box. Okay, so that same equation you have to write in the last also. What I am telling, when you solve na, so in last what you get here, you get here that is 1007 upon 616, 1007 upon 616. Both side you get the same number, it means they are equal na. So in the last what you write, I am telling, just put is equal to here, just put is equal to here, and whole equation you have to write in the last. Okay, as I told, whole equation you have to write in the last here. Understand? It is your answer. Now come on the B part. B part, 3 by 5 multiply 2 by 7 multiply 5 by 9. It is multiplied, it is not plus, so simply we can do. If any number is cut there, just see here. 3 by 5 as it is, you can write here. Now just solve here. 3 by 5 as it is. Now 5 2s are 10, 7 9s are 63. You get here. Now just solve. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 1s are 3. So finally you get 1 is to 2 upon 21, that is 2 upon 21. In that side what you get? 2 upon 21. It is your answer of the first side. Okay. Now solving that other side. Now just look here. Now just multiply 3 2 ja 6, 5 7 is 35 into 5 by 9. Now just see, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 is 9. So what you get here? 2 multiply 1, you get here 2, 7 3 is 21. So what you get here? 2 upon 21. Here also you get 2 upon 21. Here also you get 2 upon 21. It means they are equal, so you have to put equal sign here. And in the last you have to put one equal sign here also, and this whole equation you have to write in the last. Okay, so you write here that one, it is cut here, so you have to write by yourself. When you make a PDF file, that line is cut only one line, so no problem. What line? The same line you have to write is equal to, and whatever I am capturing in a box, same line you have to write in the last, which is cut there. Okay, so write equal to here and then write the same equation. So it is your answer. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now, and remaining question of this exercise 2.4 you have to do in homework. Okay, thank you.